Welcome back. Today, we'll show you how to send feedback to Chrome on your PC in just a few steps. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC by locating the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Start menu and clicking on it. Step 2. Next to Google Apps, click on the profile picture. Look for the Google Apps section at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on it to access the drop-down menu. Step 3. Click on Edit. Within the drop-down menu, you'll find an option labeled Edit. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. At the top right, click on More. Now, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on More. It's represented by 3 vertical dots. This will open a menu with additional options. Step 5. Click Send Feedback. Within the More menu, you'll find the Send Feedback option. Click on it to open the feedback form. Provide detailed information in the feedback form and click Send to submit it to the Chrome team. That's it. Sending feedback to Chrome on your PC is quick and easy. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.